Hello again. The SharkC64 development environment has now a new feature. It has an interactive module dependency diagram. Let's have a look. Let's open the ping pong project that is published on GitHub. As you can see, it consists of many modules. Here's the main module. It first resets all the other modules and then it runs the main loop. The main loop calls animation routines and manages collisions while the ball is on the playground. You can open the other modules to learn more about them. This is all nice, but it takes quite some time to learn how the modules are connected just by opening them and reading their implementation. And so this is where the new feature comes in. There is now a designer menu. For the moment, it has only one item. Show module diagram. Let's select it. And this is the module diagram. It shows how the modules are connected. This gives a quick overview of the project instantly. It is easy to see from the diagram, for instance, that the print module is used by many other modules. We can also see that it depends on the screen and color modules. If you click the print module, the dependencies become highlighted. There are checkboxes in the control panel below. They control what details are shown in the diagram. So, if you click the const checkbox, all public constants are shown in the diagram. The highlight remains even if the elements are toggled on or off. Let's click an empty part of the diagram to clear the highlight. Now, let's add all elements to the diagram. The diagram gets so big now that it doesn't fit into the window. To see the entire diagram at once, you can zoom out. And of course, you can zoom in to make the text more readable. The diagram makes it really easy to see what is in the modules and how they are connected. But that's not all. You can actually explore the implementation through the diagram. Let's click the key module to highlight it. The key module has a function called read. If you would like to know how it is implemented, all you need to do is to click it. The key module opens immediately and shows how the read function is implemented. Let's go back to the diagram and check another function, for instance the clear function of the print module. Let's click first the print module to highlight it and then click the function. And here's the implementation. So this is what makes the module diagram special. It is immediate and interactive. It greatly helps in polishing the design and showing module dependencies and public elements. Here it is easy to see if the architecture is off or some function has a bad name. The module diagram also helps in navigating and exploring the implementation. Everything is one click away. There are two more buttons in the control panel for the diagram. By clicking the Save button, you can save the diagram to a PNG file. The Rebuild button basically rebuilds the project and redraws the diagram from the built project. This is useful if you modify the program. An open diagram remains interactive even if the project does not compile. However, if the diagram is closed, it can be opened only if the project compiles. So that is the interactive module diagram. But there is one more thing. Let's close the diagram. When you have a module open and you see an element, for instance the function sound.playBoing, here, it is often the case that you would like to see the implementation of that function right then and there. You could open the diagram and navigate through it. There is, however, a quicker way to do that. Let's move the cursor on top of the function call. You can now select the Jump to item from the Edit menu. It opens the module immediately and shows the function implementation. This feature is so useful in programming as it allows you to bounce between modules in an instant. And this works for all elements. Let's pick the collision with path variable. Let's move the cursor on it and press the Command J to jump to the definition. And here it is. So that is what the interactive module diagram and the jump features look like. Both of these features help a lot in programming. The interactive module diagram in particular opens new venues as it makes code exploration fun. As for the next step, I will continue adding design support to the development environment. Until then, thanks for stopping by and see you soon!